And as you settle in to your most comfortable position, taking 3 big deep breaths, beginning with an inhale now, all the way in through your nose, pausing up at the top, and then exhaling slowly. And again, inhaling in, holding at the top, exhale slowly. And one more time, inhale in, holding at the top for just a moment or two, and exhale slowly. And then allow your breath to return to the natural rhythm of breathing. Allowing yourself to be letting go of all of it, because now is the time to go within. Now is the letting go time. And as you turn your attention to your feet now, let yourself welcome and allow this relaxation sensation as it progresses from your toes to your heels, ankles, your calves, knees, thighs, as you become aware of your legs relaxing. A deeper inner calm begins to form, and it strengthens and deepens with every breath. And this relaxation sensation begins to move up through your hips, your abdomen, solar plexus, chest, each and every breath releasing, relaxing, and letting go. Each breath takes you deeper, and the deeper you go, the more relaxed you become. And the more relaxed you become, the deeper you go. And this relaxation sensation continues moving up in a warm and nurturing way through your chest and into your shoulders. The muscles in front and back on top, releasing now, letting go. As though you could imagine healing hands being placed on those shoulders, and all the burdens simply melt away. The warmth as you release, relax, and let go with every breath. And down through your upper arm bones, down to your lower arms, and into your hands as you release any remaining negatives right out through the ends of your fingertips into the universe, where they can no longer bother you or anyone else. The soothing relaxation begins to swirl all around now, as though wrapping you in a beautiful cloak of comfort. And the relaxation sensation moves across your upper back and down through the middle of your back into your lower back. Each breath releasing now, as deeper and deeper you go. Breathing in the positives and breathing out the negatives. Each breath continues to work for you. Breathing in the positives to the mind, the relaxation to the body, breathing out the negatives from the mind, the tension and stress from the body. Your very own breath is associated to a positive flow. With each breath, more and more relaxation, more and more comfort. And relaxation swirls all around you as comfortable, loving energy. And from that lower back area now, send this sensation of relaxation all the way down the back side of the body, back down through the hamstrings, the back of the knees, calves, ankles, down to the feet. Because in a moment, when we count backwards from 5 to 0, your body prepares you to enter into the deepest relaxation at 0. So from the back of the neck, up over the back of your head, all around the crown area, down over your forehead, your eyes, nose, mouth, jaw muscles, facial muscles, releasing, relaxing, and letting go. And now at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, deep relaxation. And now it's time to take a sojourn. Some may say that making a visit to the Red Rock Desert is a good place to go. Clearing the mind can often bring for more of the soul and more for the soul. Seekers often go to the Red Rock Desert. It's been said there is a fire pit there, not too high up, on a ridge somewhere. That fire in the pit is always burning. It's ready to burn away doubts, fears, bad habits, and stress. Wondrous tales have been told about others who have climbed up the gentle sloping curve of the red rocks to that ridge, letting go of what they no longer needed or wanted. They tossed the old into the fire pit. If someone were to do this, they would have figured out the way to prepare for such a journey. For comfort and security, they would allow. It seems as though there is a transformational power with that fire pit. Many have reported to receive ancient knowledge from taking this journey at twilight, in the stillness of this desert, sitting alongside the fire pit, noticing everything with their senses. What is seen, heard, touched, smelled, felt, sensory awareness is high. Letting go, tossing it all in, then quiet relief. The quietness of your easy breath as twilight turns to night. The night sky becomes ablaze with stars, secure to receive what more may come for your soul. You are still. And for now, let's bring back the importance and the positives of this journey into conscious outer awake life. At 1, with a deep cleansing breath in and release. And now 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake.